Hey friends, today we are going to cover a happening real estate project in Pune from a great developer. Welcome to the realm of Mr. Satish Magar, the architectural maestro and visionary extraordinaire of Pune city. A trailblazer in urban evolution, Mr. Magar is the mastermind behind the iconic Magarpatta city, a symphony of sustainability and innovation. His groundbreaking approach has redefined the skyline, turning dreams into concrete realities. With each project, he crafts not just buildings, but entire communities, weaving together technology, nature, and human aspirations. As we unveil his latest marvels, brace yourselves to witness the genius of a man who doesn't just build spaces, but orchestrates the future of urban living. Welcome to Riverview City. We shall embark on a comprehensive review and detailed analysis of this esteemed project. We begin with the project's location, nestled in the heart of India, in Maharashtra's dynamic city, Pune. Following the success in Magarpatta and Nanded cities, the developers now unveil Riverview City, strategically situated on Pune's eastern corridor. True to its name, Riverview City proudly stands adjacent to the Mulla Mutha River, in the serene village of Lonikal Bhor. Let's explore the route to this project from Pune city. From the bustling Hadpsar area, one proceeds towards Solapur. Within a few kilometers, Lonikal Bhor, the project site, is reached. This region boasts a plethora of prestigious universities and esteemed educational institutions. The project is currently in its nascent phase, commencing with the development of its initial land parcel. Presently under development are the Falcon Towers, a testament to modern architecture. In the pipeline are 10 more projects, mirroring the stature of Riverview City. Delving deeper into this venture, we observe the Falcon Towers. Upon completion, these will encapsulate nearly 7 majestic towers. At the heart of this development is a grand podium, encompassing extensive amenities, lush gardens, and vibrant play areas for children. A bird's eye view reveals the layout, showcasing the designated children's zone. Here, we offer 2 BHK apartments with immersive 3D layouts, followed by spacious 2.5 BHK and elegant 3 BHK flats. This illustration represents the overarching layout of Riverview City. The diverse colored sections constitute the project, with the Falcon Towers, currently under construction, marked in red. Presented here is the master layout. Among these 7 towers, 5 house 2 BHK apartments, while to accommodate 3 BHK apartments. The esteemed Riverview City Construction Limited oversees this property's development. Further details can be found on their website, Riverview City. A segment of Lonikal Bhor village has been rechristened as Kadambak Vasti, as per governmental records. The sanctioned FSI for this project stands at 1,14,635 square meters, with recreational open space spanning 4,762 square meters. Highlighted here are towers D, B, C, E, and an additional tower. Each of these 5 towers features 2 BHK apartments, with a total of 167 units per building, amounting to approximately 835 2 BHK flats. To date, nearly 90% of these have been sold, as corroborated by the Maharera portal. Transitioning to the financial aspect, while I may not possess complete clarity, historical data suggests that the agreement value for 2 BHK apartments ranges from 55 to 60 lakhs, with an additional 7% stamp duty and 5% GST. A one-time maintenance fee of 4.5 lakh is applicable. Notably, prices ascend with each floor, remaining constant up to the 11th floor and increasing marginally from the 12th to the 21st floor. Guided tours of the site are available via these vehicles. Sample flats are already constructed, providing a glimpse into the property layout, including open kitchen areas integrated with living spaces. Observations include the types of tiles used, the paint quality, and the door designs. Concerns have been raised regarding the proximity to a railway line, potentially leading to noise pollution. To the east of the project lies a substantial fuel storage facility operated by Hindustan Petroleum. Additionally, the development of a ring road has raised concerns about potential traffic and pollution. We now briefly review the legal title reports, of which 7 have been made available. I've extracted key points for your consideration, but I strongly advise consulting with a legal expert for an in-depth analysis. The Riverview Construction Company has acquired land from families like the Calgos. There are specific assumptions and notes worthy of attention. For instance, it remains uncertain from which survey number in Loni Kalbhur the land was converted to gut number in Kadamba Kwasti. It's noted that a supplementary JV registration is necessary due to land sales post the initial JV registration with Riverview City. Land purchases from families bearing the surname Khan are documented. One legal annotation states that under Muslim law, a mother cannot be a legal guardian, necessitating a court order for the JV registration. One report suggests removing certain names from the land's 712 extracts. The legal counsel indicates reliance on documents provided by the developer for these reports. Hence, it's prudent to seek independent legal advice for thorough verification. One document reveals that all landowners are shareholders in the company. Riverview Construction Company has entered into a developer agreement with these landowners, incorporating them as shareholders. Here is a sample index to or registration record, obtained post-purchase and registration of the property. It offers insights into the current pricing of the project, including agreement prices and market value, particularly for 3 BHK properties. Calculations based on the agreement price reveal the per square foot cost. Note that the aforementioned maintenance fee of 4.5 lakh might be exclusive of this pricing, as are stamp duty and GST. This information reflects the project status a few months ago. For more comprehensive details, visit the builder's website, riverviewcity.com. It provides extensive information about the project, including available amenities. This document from RERA shows the booking status as of 38 September 2023. Available units include 53 unsold in Tower B, 28 in Tower C, 18 in Tower E, and 34 in Tower F, indicating available inventory for interested buyers. Finally, let's examine Google reviews for Riverview City. With a rating of 4.3 from 168 reviewers, it's evident that visitors have shared positive experiences and images, reflecting the project's appeal. Hey friends! Get ready for a thrilling glimpse into the future of Riverview City. If you're curious about how this stunning project will transform in the next 5 to 10 years, you simply can't miss this video showcasing the magnificent Magarpatta City project, a masterpiece also crafted by the same visionary developer. Witness the transformation and envision the splendor that awaits.